Let's have a look at our class spare parts within Connect. Ensuring we are in machine management, there are two areas to find spare parts. Access via the shop basket icon on the left-hand side. The dealer listed here does not need to be the same as the supplier of the machine. Scroll down to view the available shops. These will vary based on your country and your dealer. The second way to access parts is via the Machines tab. Select the machine you wish to find parts for, and click on the Service tab. Scroll down until you find the parts dock, and select it. This will open a new window. Now all the parts displayed are specific to that machine's serial number. Once in the parts list, select the part you need, add the part to a cart. Once in your cart, you can download or print your spare part list to contact your dealer directly, or upload it in the parts shop to order them.